We're here with Ian Epperson, who from Kaleidescape, and he's going to explain us to a little bit about the company and then show us how their servers, their entertainment servers work.
Certainly. So Kaleidescape makes an entertainment server. This whole system, entertainment system, this whole system is geared towards solving your problem of being able to manage your whole house systems, your collection, so your CDs and your DVDs.
Audio and video.
Audio and video. So you can import a CD or DVD into our system, and it automatically imports onto our hard disk array.
Ooh, that's sexy.
This is a 5.5 terabyte usable array to store approximately 660 DVDs or several thousand CDs. We can also cluster several of these, and our largest install has 7 servers and thousands and thousands of DVD capacity.
So if somebody's got 5,000 DVDs, you just cluster them together.
We can keep clustering it together. We can keep adding space. We can do quite a lot with it with any given system. So once you do have a system such as that, I'll take you over and show you some of our user interface. We'd have a player in various zones of the house. You can have as many as you want on the system. And for each player, we present this user interface. Now, each one of these user interfaces is a completely separate view of your entire system. So once you import the DVD, all the information comes in here automatically, where it's shown on this list view. Let me scroll up into the list, where we have lots and lots of movies here.
So all that's sort of pre-programmed for the end user. He doesn't have to input each one of these. He can go and connect on the internet and download the jacket cover and stuff like that?
The client doesn't have to do any of that. That's all done automatically by our system.
Okay.
So the server goes through when you're importing and pulls out this information. So once the information
the server connects to the internet and pulls it automatically?
Yes.
Okay,
the user
cool.
doesn't have to do anything at all. Once the information is here, I'll select A Bug's Life. We have the high-resolution cover art. We have the synopsis that we write and all this additional information. Also note that we could play the disc as if you had it in a DVD player, but our default action is just to play a movie. So I'm going to press play here, and we're going to look at just the beginning of the movie. No, we're not. We're going to resume the music we were listening to. So instead, we're going to hit play here and watch the beginning of the movie. Okay, this is the beginning of A Bug's Life. So I'll scan forward in the movie.
Click on it and play, and then what you were showing us before with all the jacket covers, you can just touch and go?
Another way to look at your collection, this is where you go if you know what you want to watch. If you don't know what you want to watch, you can go to your covers place. So this is showing you the selected title and similar titles around it. Now we selected an animated movie, so you're seeing this. Now I could scroll up, I could touch the touch panel and pick a new title. I could use a simple remote control and scroll up and around through it. Now when I stop on a title, say we'll stop on Lord of the Rings, it'll reshuffle the list and bring similar titles back to the middle. Or we'll see the sequels here, and we'll see other action and adventure movies.
Okay.
And this is a great way to browse through your list if you don't know what you want to watch, and here's a way to do it.
And that's the list that's on the machine. What happens if, would you propose, for example, in a new version, well maybe that's not the subject, but stuff that he could download from...
We're always hoping to expand our system and look for automatic software updates in the future. Our system automatically updates itself when it's connected online to the internet.
So say you subscribe to a service where you could buy the film online and watch it, maybe that's something
to
think about.
Something to think about.
Okay.
So
you're in the forefront of all the technologies.
Thank you very much. One other manner of looking at your collection, we told you the list covers. We also have this collections view. The collections is user-generated and automatically generated collections.
Okay.
And just to touch very briefly, we also have the ability to create favorite scenes. So you could pull a favorite scene out of a movie. Now when I press play on, say, Catching Up with the Train, it just plays that favorite scene off of the movie.
Okay, cool.
And I'll stop that. So
this is all available in the United States and all throughout Europe and all throughout the world, is what you're saying?
Yes, we have dealers all over the world, and we sell systems all over the world. So you should go see our website and talk to a dealer about getting these systems installed. The last piece I would like to talk to you about here would be music. We've very recently added music capabilities to our system, so that in addition to managing movies, we now manage the music collection in a very similar way. The list view, which we just saw for movies. We also have a cover art view, and again, the selected title and similar movies around it.
Okay.
And a collections view. And in the very near future, we hope to be enhancing our support for music.
we'll be looking forward to seeing that next time. And thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
See you soon.